everyone, in today's video we are going to paint this beautiful forest scenery in simple 3 steps. So let's get started. Let's see the requirement for this painting. So I am using various size of flat brush and fan brush and my detailing brush. We just need the 4 colors for this painting. We paint the background in the first step, so that I choose the color blue for the background. I am mixing up the blue with white and get the beautiful shade of blue. We want to do a gradation of color from a light blue to dark blue, so I am applying white mixing up with the blue on the top. Gradation is a very important and effective task when it comes to painting, so I recommend you guys do some experience and have some patience and practice it over a time. Then you will know how to blend 2 colors very effectively. So let's move to the second step. So the second step is trees. So for the trees I have chosen these 2 blue colors, and this time I didn't mix any white to the colors. I'm just using these 2 colors and I'm painting some straight lines for the trees, and I'm going to paint the leaves here. So I'm using my detailing brush for paint the leaves. I'm not painting much details in the leaves. I'm just painting the shapes, basic shape of the leaves, and that's enough for this. And because we are going to paint dark shades of forest and tree leaves again in this background, so it just enough to paint the basic shape of leaves is enough. And now this time we are going to paint another set of trees, but this time we choose some dark shades of blue. So I'm mixing blue and the viridian blue here, and I'm painting the leaves again. I am using my flat brush to paint some bush in the forest. I can hear you guys now. It's looked like a total mess, but believe me, trust the process. We are going to end up with a beautiful painting. Just trust the process and enjoy the painting. Using my detailing brush, I am painting the branches in the trees. So draw some tiny lines for the branches. Once it was done, we are going to the last step, that is the deer. I am so excited, and I already drew the shape of the deer in pencil. Now I'm going to paint on this existing pencil line, and I think it is easy for me to get the correct shape of the deer. Now we are adding some finishing touch for this painting, so I am mixing the black and applying the black in the bottom of the canvas, and we are going to paint some grasses and bushes in this surface. And I'm using only my flat brush, and I use the same flat brush for the grass and bushes, and it gives something like a deep forest, and the deer is looking us from there, and it is so beautiful. And I paint some grass using the detailing brush. So as I told you already, this painting will become so beautiful in the end. Now just look at this, it is so beautiful. So always trust in your process. Even in the middle you may not believe in your process, and at the time don't quit it. Just take a break and do the process again and enjoy the process, and you will end up with something so beautiful. I decided to add some sunlight from the top, so I am using the white color and using my old brush with the damaged bristles to draw some lines. After almost 3 hours of painting, we finally finished this beautiful painting, and I want to know how much you like this painting, so please let me know in the comment section. I will meet you with another beautiful painting in the next video. Until then, have fun with colors.